this is Angie All from Bremer County Conservation, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your star wheel and how to use your star wheel. So you should have received one piece of paper like this and another one like this, and then you're going to need to use scissors and tape. And the first one, super easy, you cut out the circle. So follow that black line and just cut out that circle. And through the magic of video, I have my circle cut out. So we're gonna set this one aside. The next thing we are going to do is we're gonna cut along this black line. Okay, now we have that part cut out. The other dotted lines are for where we're folding them, so they do not get cut. However, this middle circle needs to be cut out. So have a parrot maybe help you, or I like to kind of bend the paper a little bit and just give a little cut there. And then that way, now I am able to carefully go and cut along this black line once again. So I was able to cut that circle out of there. Sometimes you might get a little tear or something, but that's not a big deal at all. Now, the next part, we are going to fold as best as we can to get that dotted line to be our fold. So I kind of use the signs here to look. And we are right at that dotted line. You can kind of see the dotted line right there. Okay, that's good. Now we want to fold this dotted line in. And I like to really make sure you press down on it, make sure it's nice and tight. So we have that. Now we're going to do this side. Okay, so this is complete, except we need to add a little tape. And I like to put tape on there to make sure it holds, so when I'm out looking at the stars, I don't have to worry about it at all. So I'm gonna tape down both sides of my holder. Okay, so I just put some tape on the back, kind of went underneath onto the front. Now we put our star wheel in here, and now this is where we can spin it. Now here is how we use it. So let's say that we are going to try to go out and look for stars tonight. Today is September 4th, and we are going to go try to look for some stars on September 4th. So if you find September on there and you see the 5th, you can count that there's 4 little lines before that. So we're going to look at the line before the 5 would be the 4th, so September 4th. And let's say I want to go out at 10 o'clock tonight, okay? So I'm going to spin it till 10 o'clock in September 4th. 10 o'clock and September 4th. Okay, it's lined up very nicely there. Now this is what I'm actually going to see in the sky tonight. So I can go and I can look to the north and see the northern horizon and see what kind of constellations I'm going to be looking for. So I can find my Little Dipper, and I'm able to find the Big Dipper. So just flip it around and try to find what night you want to go out and what time you want to go out, because the constellations change throughout the season. So in the winter time, so let's say I always like to go to December 12th because that's my birthday. And let's say I'm going out on December 12th at 9 o'clock because it's pretty dark at 9 o'clock. And these are the constellations I'm going to see then. So in the winter sky, we can see Orion, the Great Hunter. In the summertime, we can see Scorpion. Scorpion and Orion if you remember from your journals, have a little feud going on. So thanks, guys. I hope you enjoy making your stir wheel, and we will see you next time.